This lovely woman is my girlfriend, Catherine. As a health educator, I actually succeeded not only to reverse my own chronic health conditions and inspire hundreds of my clients to improve their life with my integrative health protocol, but I also succeeded in the biggest of all challenges, if you ask me, to inspire my family members to improve their own health. Among them, my lovely girlfriend, my children, and my 82 years old mother, now experiencing her best health ever. I'm really proud of it, and I feel that this is one of my biggest life achievements. My name is Misha Sakharoff. I'm an integrative health engineer. Right now, I'm running a series of live masterclasses about the greatest paradoxes of health, and I want to invite you. It's going to be about human physiology most of the people don't know about. You will learn about synergetic effects of breathing, nutrition, and mental training in simultaneous practice. Now, this is a live masterclass, and you will be able to ask me questions directly. Follow the link below this video, register, and be ready for a great and inspiring conversation. See you there.